Let's talk briefly about the identity and access management. And an access control system is the set of technical controls that govern how subjects, like basically end users, may interact with objects, which could be networks, servers, databases, and so on. Now, in an identity and access management system, it's usually described in four main processes. The very first process will involve identification, where the user will have to create an account or ID that will uniquely represent the user or device on the network. And then comes authentication, where the subject will have to prove that they are who they claim to be when attempting to access a resource. And then authorization, where the rights the subjects have on each resource will be determined. And then finally, accounting, which is tracking authorized usage of a resource and alerting when unauthorized use is detected or attempted. This is basically an image describing the entire process. So again, the very first stage will have identification, where the system owner will confirm the user's identity and will create an account representing the user. And then authentication, maybe with the use of a password or like a hash credential. And then authorization, where the user will be granted access depending on their authorization level. And then finally, accounting, where the system will track permission usage in a log. And finally, note that the servers and protocols that implement these functions are referred to as the authentication, authorization, and accounting servers, the AAA.